guys, today we're gonna turn the room into a bumblebee. Hey guys, Bumblebee.
All right, so we're gonna do a little art project today. Wyatt has some stuff here and he wants to turn the Roomba into a bumblebee. So we have some felt, we have a glue gun, which Mom is gonna use. We have some googly eyes, pipe cleaners. So let's see what we can come up with.
Yeah.
All right, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Right, let's do it. Okay, so this is what we're starting with. All right, so we have the piece on top, and then we cut the other piece of felt into 3 strips to wrap around the bumper. And Wyatt, show us the part we need to leave out.
Oh, I have a yellow face.
Okay, so he says we can't cover that.
That's yellow.
All right, here we go.
Leaky red.
Okay, so we have the whole thing covered right now with the black felt. And we have the little sensor sticking out of the front because Wyatt said we needed to do that. All right, can you lift it up and show us? Not too bad. All right, now we got to do the stripes. Okay?
Yay!
Wyatt's cutting the yellow felt to make some stripes.
If we take 4 at a time, it's going to melt. Mom, there's glue in here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, come.
Okay, Wyatt has the stripes made. It's starting to look like a bumblebee, guys.
Yeah. But where does on it?
All right, so we have the stripes now attached. It's starting to look more like a bee. And Wyatt cut out some wings. And we're gonna put a couple of the little pom poms, attach them to the wings.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Pom Poms.
it's looking better. So you wanna help?
2, 3. Good. 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 You did it.
Perfect. All right, let's put the wings on.
Bubble on my gum. Bubble on my gum. Let's do googly eyes.
All right, let's put some eyes on it.
Let's do the googly eyes.
All right, put the eyes on.
Wow. Isn't it one for the bumblebee? Oh, isn't it one for the ladybug? I'll get some for you.
Okay, we're gonna do a ladybug next.
Yeah.
That looks so cute, Wyatt.
Now we need a smile.
Yeah. Wyatt picked out a green pipe cleaner for its little smile. It's looking like a bee. Good job, guys.
I love it.
Let's make some antennas.
Yeah.
The boys attached some pom poms to a pipe cleaner and made some little antennas. So now we're gonna stick it on there.
I love you. Clean.
We got the antennas on. And the last thing we need is a little stinger. Oops. All right, let's glue it on. Okay, are we done?
Uh-huh.
Wyatt got the little stinger on there. We have a face, he has antennas, some wings. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if it actually works.
Uh-huh.
All right, let's see. It works. It's so cute.
His smile looks the best.
And that's how you turn your Roomba into a bumblebee. Good job, guys. It works. we also made a ladybug. That is so funny.